Hey everybody, my name is Elliot Bannister and I'm with the Luchette Group at Keller Williams Client's Choice at our newest listing. We are just minutes from downtown. Across the street on Union, you have the amazing Patty Jewett Golf Course, which is the oldest golf course this side of the Mississippi. You are also just seconds away from Pinhead's Bowling Alley, which is a throwback to the 80s, super fun to take your family to, as well as you have tons of mature trees, some great parks just a minute's walk away. The address that we are at is 1614 Grant Avenue. This awesome neighborhood, like I said, has beautiful mature trees. You have a really great sized lot that's awesome for entertaining. The home itself was built in 1959, so you have some amazing charm from the mid-century. This home has been meticulously maintained. You have a full main level living. You guys are gonna love this beautiful home. I'm super excited to show you the inside. Let's go take a closer look. Walking into this cute home, you're immediately going to notice the beautiful hardwood floors that run throughout the entire home. You have awesome crown molding all across the top of the ceiling with some great texture on the ceiling as well. Again, giving that nice mid-century modern feel. It is a very nice open floor plan, especially with this living room. You have a great entertaining area with a huge window. It is paired with this awesome dining space as well. From that dining space, you walk out to the really great entertaining space outside, which is a covered patio that's been freshly redone. Attached to this dining space, you also have your really great sized kitchen space. You have beautiful, nice cabinetry with tons of cabinet space. You have tile countertops, very easily maintained and cleaned, as well as you have your great stainless steel appliances that are updated and will be staying with the property. One of my favorite features about this kitchen is you have this beautiful textured wall that gives it that nice style, as well as you have some built-in hanging spaces for your pots and pans, again giving you that nice mid-century modern feel. Continuing through this awesome home, you have 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms. One of the great features about this property is you do have a tankless water heater that gives you virtually unlimited hot water, so you're not gonna have to worry about running out of that. If you take long showers, take a nice long bubble bath in your full bathroom. The bedrooms, as I talked about, do feature beautiful hardwood floors that do, again, run throughout the entire property. The master bedroom has a great oversized closet, as well as the 2 spacious secondary bedrooms have ample closet space as well. In the nursery, you do have a beautiful custom mural that is great for a kid's room, really just makes it pop. You could easily turn it into your 100-acre woods room if you really love Winnie the Pooh. In the 3rd bedroom, you have great space. Again, you have nice updated windows in here, giving nice natural light, a good closet space, as well as some custom shelving that will be staying with the property. Thank you so much for touring this beautiful home with me. Again, my name is Elliot Bannister. If you have any questions about this home or any other homes in this market, please don't hesitate to give me a call at 719-600-1199. You can find a ton more information about all the properties that we list at the Luchette Group at our website, makespringshome.com. You guys make an awesome day.